So when I push the button.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the BHS Mathematics Course Selection Pathways 2016-2017. It is a 4-year math requirement for graduation. So here are your options. We offer a variety of options and our classes are designed to be more complex as you move along, but it will prepare you for what comes after Brighton High School. From Algebra 1, our courses are geometry and focused geometry. The only difference is the focused geometry does take a little more time. It's for our students who struggle a little bit more, and it gives you the time and attention you need to really understand the concepts. From geometry, you'll move on to Algebra 2. We have the 1-year program, but we also have a 2-year Algebra 2 program, which again is for students who struggle a little bit more, and it will give you the time to process the information and give you enough depth to have a good solid foundation to continue moving on. It is a 2-year commitment, so once you sign up for that, you have committed for 2 years. From Algebra 2, whether it's the 1-year or the 2-year, you have more options. You can go to pre-calculus. That would be recommended for students who have an A in Algebra 2 and plan to continue on to topics such as AP Calculus, which means you may be going into engineering as your career plan. The majority of students will probably head into FST. Again, it's a step up from Algebra 2, so you are going to cover a lot of the same topics, but you're going to go into more depth, and you're going to include a few new topics. We also have advanced algebra applications. For students who maybe aren't ready to move on to FST and you want a good solid accredited math class, but not move on to FST. Advanced Algebra Applications is a great idea for you. We usually will see seniors and some juniors in this class. The Advanced Algebra Applications is a blend of algebra and geometry, but everything's put into real life situations, specifically finance. Everything's in finance, whether it be about businesses or investments, personal finance. We cover everything, but we really get into depth on the math behind what's going on. So everything is application based. You're going to see real life scenarios with these problems, and it will strengthen your algebra skills as well as your problem solving skills. For students who go on to FST, we have the option of moving on to pre-calculus and or going on to AP statistics. Yes, you could do both. If you go to pre-calculus from Algebra 2 or from FST, your choices after that would be AP Calculus and or AP Statistics. Again, yes, you could do both. We have students who do. If you have any questions about what course would be right for you, come and talk to your teacher or talk to your counselor. We'll give you the best advice we can.